Welcome to this video. This video will show you how to access databases through the UJ Library. The university has a fantastic library, and exploring it will only be to your advantage. The UJ Library is available at www.uj.ac.za/library. On your screen you will see the homepage. I will now show you how to use the databases. If you scroll down, you will see the databases link. Click on this link. You now have access to all the UJ databases. It is quite important that you start to get to know the subject-specific databases. For example, UTA is a law database and Philosopher's Index is a philosophy database. However, a good general database I like to use is JSTOR. Academic Search Ultimate is also a great general database. You can also sort the databases according to discipline. Simply click on Education, then Submit, and your page will show all the education-specific databases. I will show you how to use JSTOR. Since JSTOR starts with a J, I will click on the J and click Submit. On your page, you will now find all the databases beginning with the letter J. Let's click on JSTOR. It will now ask me to log into the library. As you can see, you have been redirected to the UJ Library login page. On this page, you must enter your surname, your UJ student number, and the PIN you have set for yourself. Click Submit. JSTOR should now have opened in your browser. Type in your keywords. I have typed Technology in Education. Click on the search button. As you can see, there are over 450,000 results, made up of journals, book chapters, and research reports, amongst other things. You can refine your search results if you are looking for certain publication dates too. As you scroll down, you will see many different articles. If you want to read an article, click on Download PDF. JSTOR will now ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Click on I accept, proceed to download. The PDF copy has now downloaded to your web browser. Every database has its own process to access literature. However, they all work on roughly the same principle. I would suggest you play around and see which ones you like. Perhaps you can find an education database, which will further focus your results. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel excited to start finding literature. Happy writing!